यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य
ओम प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः. Shri Lord Venkateshwara bestow all kinds of prosperity, health, wealth and eternal happiness with Paripurna Lakshmi Katakshams to you and entire your family members and friends. Let us begin Bhagavad Gita, verse number 8 of 9th chapter. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Prakritim Swamavashtabhya Visrajami Punah Punah Bhutagramamimam Krishnam Avasham Prakritirvashat. Bhagavan Krishna, he gave his all Swarupa's definition of his nature in the 4th and 5th both shlokas. And whatever is given in those two shlokas are explained elaborately in these verses. Now, from the last words, means 7th and 8th, these both verses are explaining God who is the cause of Srishti Sthiti Laya Karanam. Jagat Karanatvam. That's all in short way. So God is the Karana of Jagat. Okay. So how he becomes cause of Jagat? As the creator, as the part maker, or what? Now, so he has one more power called Maya. Because of the Maya and through the Maya, he creates the world. That's what he himself said in the last word. So all the beings I need not to create newly. So everything is already created. And always human being, we do have the questions. When the world was created the first time, so when it was originated, that questions, that question, it seems to be illogical question, because we cannot find the time, and Vedanta never answers for these questions. It will say, if you go and dig Vedanta in elaborate way, you will find Srishti is happening every second. So when I am making this noise, so many creatures would have been born. At the same time, so many creatures would have been gone. That's what the phenomenon. Srishti is always on. It's taking place. Therefore, he said, Punaha, Punaha. Punaha, Punaha means once in a kalpa is not the meaning. It cannot be the proper meaning. Every second I create the world for the people. Because they have their own karma phala to enjoy, they need to have three kinds of shariras: Karana, Sukshma and Sthula shariras. Therefore what? My job is always keeping busy me. That's what Ishvara's job, is very difficult. So many varieties of beings, and every being, it has got its own. Every individual I am talking about, they do have their own karma phala. So every karma phala is unique. So that they have to be provided unique sharira, body. You think about human sharira. Do you know the glory of this human sharira? We cannot tolerate too much happiness. We cannot also tolerate too much sadness. If you become very much sad, so there is a message, it will hit you like anything. You will just go into unconscious. That is the system. If there is a very big happiness in your life, then also you will go to unconscious. Because when you are suffering from sorrow, that after particular time you will sleep, then you will be rejuvenated to suffer again. That's a unique human body. We cannot tolerate the climatic means climate situations, weather conditions, because if we are in Atlanta or Antarctica, you think about it, because every being we do have our own karma phala. Being born in India, that too in South India, and that too in a particular place, particular family where they have God belief which is established by them for a long period of time, then you are born over there. It means what? You have that karma phala. The families are provided, bodies are provided, and the world is provided in order to get experience of our own karma phala. Now, God should be omniscient, otherwise he cannot create. He must be omnipotent, otherwise he cannot create the body for you, the world for you, the experiences for you. So created world has to be updated. So that updation is fast forever, not even this mobile updation. Every second must be updated. So a person who begins life as a beggar, so he becomes king. Unrespected way, he becomes king. Then a person who began life selling chai can become a respected prime minister. So that's what God has to create and give. So according to his karma phala, then what? So many sins must be changed. If you imagine, if you are the choreographer of a drama, scene by scene, you have to change background, music, lightings, and you have to change the makeup of all these participants, means actors. Then you should also change the music behind. So many headache. But all this world has got so many tremendous amount of varieties. You cannot even imagine. So everybody finger, that print is not same. You think about it. And we should also wonder about human mind. They have invented that every unique things in the human being. That fingerprint also they use left, because right we use most of the time. Therefore all the documents are dependent on our left fingerprint, isn't it? And people say that this eye, the retina also has got uniqueness. Every body has got a different retina, my God. No similar. Even you grow, while growing, you should set a difference according to your karma phala. Even the pimples come on face, it is there in your history, means in your karma phala. But Shastra says you can change your karma phala. The same Ishvara will support you to change your karma phala. That's what Purushartham, that's what the utilization of our free will. The world is created. So Punaha Visrijami means it's not a separate world. The same world has got so many varieties of creations. You have different, in a day, how many varieties of world you have. You go to office, so you have a different world. You come on the road, you have the different world. Then you go to your family, it's a different world. You go among the friends, it is a different world. My God, so many worlds have to be created by Ishvara. So road has to be created, and traffic has to be sustained, and this climate has to be created. My God, all job is nicely done. If there should be any accident also created by Lord Ishvara. If there is any kind of festival, the atmosphere and condition of that also to be created. And if somebody wants to commit a criminal activity, it has to be created, my dear. You become responsibility. That's what Ishvara himself says. I'm the creator, but so I'm also creating world for you, that you should select the world. You cannot blame me, because you should know your ability, your capacity. Therefore, these people who don't know about the glory, about the secret of the God. Your God is allowing everything. Your God is allowing all the criminal activities. So what does your God do? So while that criminal things happen, when Pandavas were drastically, especially Draupadi was insulted by, so this Kauravas, where your God was there. But you should learn, when Draupadi surrendered to Lord Krishna, she was protected. Every event it talks about it. Then if you know the secret, so their responsibility who commit crime, they will enjoy their fruit. Not after thousands of years, within second. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. So wherever there is a dharma or adharma is committed, I will make myself into being. Punaha punaha visrijami. In the 4th chapter, nicely he talks about the detail. Mama maya duratyaya. Divyam janma divyam karma. We are making effort to realize that God and function of the God in this verse. He says all the beings are created by me through Maya. I am not directly involved with that. Then Maya is like what? So when the thief is there, and in order to catch hold of him, there must be police, and the mantri, the minister who orders the police to catch the thief. Now police becomes Maya, thief becomes Jivas. No, we are not thieves, but the example I am telling, thief becomes Jivas and mantri becomes Ishvara. So this is for our understanding, to get the clear picture. Maya means like a police, controlled by Ishvara. And now you think the thief and police relationship, and police and minister relationship. Even true minister, he is minister for only 5 years, and police he continues up to his retirement. Then what kind of connection? The connection is temporary. Temporary connection means who is temporary, minister or police? And the relationship of thief and police, what kind of connectivity it is? So that's also temporary connectivity. When a person converts himself as a thief, he gets connected with police, means he is connecting with the law. Therefore, police comes when you are going wrong. Otherwise, police won't disturb. Especially Indian police are very capable, because I know about their ability, their capacity. The police and the army, my God, mind-blowing because of Ishvara Anugraha. Every police, my God, they have tremendous the sharpness, the training which we have. I am very confident in that, because my prayer also, so we should also have the prayer, because they are the protectors. They are armies in our cities, and outside police are armies. Every day we have to respect all these people. Therefore, when we pray in the morning, we should have the prayer for army soldiers and navy soldiers, of course Air Force, and all these protectors of us. Even traffic police. You go and stand one day on the junction, that too in a rain, in a sunny day. My God, but He is there. The God is providing energy. We have to respect. Yeah. So now, what kind of relationship that Jiva and Maya has? So Maya is the executing power, that which creates the world. Now Jivas are created by, Jivas are not created. The world and body are created by Maya for the sake of Jiva to experience his karma phala. Then what kind of relationship? Jiva becomes slave to Maya. Jiva becomes slave to Maya. Therefore, we become slave to our body. Body controls us. We are not the owner of the body. Because our ahankara is supplied. Everything is supplied. The body limits you. In all aspects, body limits you. Age-wise, time-wise, space-wise. So, with talent-wise, it limits. The limitations differ man to man. A person can jump 5 feet. Another person can jump 10 feet. Another person can jump 15 feet. So different abilities. But the system which is provided, it binds us. Therefore what? Avashaha jivaha. It's so pitiable situation. Okay. So jivas are pitiable. That's what we should pity on all these jivas. But we pity on other creatures. Really speaking, we are pitiable materials. Because we are controlled by Sharira and world, 5 elemental aspects. That's what is said. Here it says, Avasham Prakratir Vashat Imam Bhuta Gramam Swam Mayam Prakritim Avashtabhya Punaha Punaha Visrujami. There he introduces the connection between Jiva and Maya. And yet he should introduce the connection between Maya and Ishvara. Now we have learnt we are connected very much with Maya. Mayaji means Prakriti. Prakriti and Maya both are equal meaning. Okay. So if you want to have deep meaning, you can put one more word. So Prakriti has got 3 gunas. Sattva, Rajas, Tama. So the Prakriti which is predominant by Sattva guna is known as Maya. Okay, that's all. This much is enough. So that becomes the medium for Ishvara. So now it works for Ishvara. When it works for Ishvara, but it becomes owner of Jiva. Now if you want to cross the Maya, if you want to get victory on Maya, so then you should surrender to its owner. We are not confirmed what kind of relationship is there, owner and worker sambandha. No, we don't know. But you have sambandha like a slave and a person, owner sambandha. Okay, that's what here given. Now he is going to explain little bit more what kind of sambandha that Maya and Ishvara have in the next words. Nacha mam tani karmani nibadhanti dhananjaya udasina vadasinam asaktam teshu karmashu. So in the previous words itself he said, mamikam prakritim, my prakriti. Even in Shvetasvatara Upanishad also. So Rishi says, Mayantu prakritim vidyan mayinantu maheshwaram. Maheshwaram becomes Mayavi. So Mayavi means what? One who owns Maya. Okay. Now when I create the word, so this verse is explaining asangatvam. Ishvara is detached with the world which is created by him. He doesn't have attachment. So how it would be possible? If you prepare some sambar, if you prepare some khichdi, or if you cook some rice, So you have the attachment. If anybody says, wow, fantastic, what a flavor, what the taste, the sambar is, immediately you become very happy because you are attached to that. And you cannot give up the responsibility, jaise bhi ho. So whatever I have done, I don't worry about the result. You cannot say, you cannot become irresponsible person. So you should be responsible enough. In the same way, Ishvara is responsible enough, but he doesn't have sangatvam, sangarahitaha asangatva. So how we will understand, any karma you do, you will get attached. Therefore, I brought the sambar. Making sambar is a very simplest job, but making proper sambar, it's not a simplest job. Okay, you can make sambar if you go to North India, especially you go to Himalayas. So going upwards, so Badri, Kedar, or Gangotri, Yamunotri, there some of the South Indian hotels are available. Okay, they look like South Indians, but all cooks are North Indian alone. Okay, so when you order for idli, they serve idli and sambar, but the idli, you can see those idlis are as if idlis, as if sambar. They are not perfect idli, perfect sambar, because proper cooking is nothing but creating like Ishvara alone. Therefore, here he says the action has got attachment, but I create a huge creation, my creation, so it's beyond your reach. Still we are working to reach up to Mars. So there are so many galaxies. So when will we reach? We won't be there. So our future generation will reach. So after even reaching, they will find nothing. So if they want to increase their all sauharyatvam, means what I said, luxury in their life, comfort in their life, that is possible. But finding Ishvara, they have to dig Shastra alone. He says, so I create the world, I sustain the world, I also destroy, resolve the world, but all this karma never bind me. Why, sir? Why? So are you applying oil? So are you applying, because when you cut the jackfruit, you should apply oil, means coconut oil especially used to. So this coconut oil on the knife also, you apply some coconut oil. Are you Ishvara, are you using some kind of solution for that? So means some kind of liquid is there, some kind of liquid, if at all there, please let us know. This has to be the question. But Ishvara says, yes, I do have the solution. That liquid is known as Kartrutva Bhoktrutva Rahitatvam. I don't have doership, I don't have enjoyership also. I don't have ships. Don't feel Nendram chips. No, it's a ships. I don't have doership and enjoyership. Kartrutva Bhoktrutva Rahitatvat Tani Karmani Mam Na Nibadhanti. So that's what he is going to explain, because Udasinavatu Asinam Asaktam Teshu Karmasu. I won Udasinatvam. Udasinatvam usually, so this being indifferent with the karma. Okay, being indifferent person with karma, I don't get karma phala. Okay, asaktam means unattached, or we can say who I am uninvolved. That's not the right word. Unattached. So he is not attached. Why? Because I don't have kartrutvam. That's the main point. You catch hold it. Just you remember that when we do the karma, if we have kartrutva buddhi, definitely we will earn punya or papa. If we don't, then we won't have punya and papa. We learnt it in the 4th chapter. You should remember. That Bhagavan himself, he had told in the third, fourth, fifth, in 3 chapters we saw this Kartrutva, Bhoktritva. Ishvara doesn't have Kartrutvam. He creates the world, but he doesn't have Kartrutvam. How it is possible? Because he is Ishvara. No, let it be he is Ishvara, but how a karma can be there without having Kartrutva? So for that alone, the next shloka comes, my dear. You be with patient and we will continue that. Okay, that's what. Let us read it. Mayadhyakshena prakritihi suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya jagad viparivartate. Because I am endowed with Sakshi Bhavaha. That's what. Sakshi Bhavaha. So Kartrutva, Bhoktritva, Rahitatva means so applying Sakshi Bhavaha. That is, we need to have lots of explanation to understand it. So that we will continue in the next episode tomorrow. Harihi Om. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.